to have like this awesome.
Hi, welcome to Ross Recording Studio. So we have a couple of things that we're going to unbox today. The first thing is a Gurus.
The first thing is a steering knuckle. Not to confuse everybody in New York, but everybody drives cars around the world, and you know, just like flying at a plane, not many people know what to do except ride in the seat of a plane or get in the car, start it up and go, maybe check the oil. So we get the technical stuff like this. Guys know all about this stuff. And not, I shouldn't say that because there's a lot of female hot rod mechanics too. So, but it's just in general, some people have knowledge and care about it. We went to the dragway yesterday. That was kind of fun, right? You know, you've never really seen fast cars. That was
that was different.
Seen a whole new aspect of automobiles, that you know, horsepower. So, to show today is what a part of a car would be, and what it is. This is where the wheel attaches to on the front of the car.
Who's putting that on you?
No, man, I can't do this. It's too technical for me to do in the backyard. I can do maybe brakes, but this is a major job. We just did this job before without buying the assembly because I was in a bind, had to have it. So we replaced just the bearing, and we also had to replace the ball joint. And I'll tell you, there's a short on the ball joint. That was quite the video. That alone was a super tough job, way tough. And the bearing was a really tough job, and it failed. And I kind of thought it was going to fail the way we did it with old parts. I just didn't expect it to fail that soon. This is what, when I step on the gas, there's a shaft that goes through here, and it spins this wheel. And that's what makes us go down the road. What's failed on the car, and what you hear that grinding noise, is this, instead of being tight, this is loose. It'll go bloop, 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 bloop. So the wheel is clunking. Very unsafe condition.
Wow.
That's why I have to get it fixed as soon as possible. And I'm waiting for the axle to get here, or it would already have been on. And what stops the vehicle is this is what's called a rotor. This goes underneath the wheel. And then there's a caliper that clamps this and stops it. One caliper. On an aircraft, there's 10 calipers all the way around and about 7 or 8 rotors. Very intricate on an aircraft. This is a very simple procedure. You see how thick it is? It's a very heavy part. So that's it. That's our unboxing of changing the complete front end on my truck again, and hopefully the CV joint axle arrives on time, and we'll have this video tomorrow. Do you want to spin that once?
Oh, that's okay.
Okay. Peace out, everybody. You want to do the rollout?
Oh, what's the rollout?
Thanks for watching.
I'm not doing that.
Okay.
That's when I feel like doing